welcome back to the channel. For today's video, it should be like one of the times. Today's vlog is going to be an actual vlog. I'm finna head over to Randy's house right now, and then we're gonna shoot over to Fred's house, and then just the rest of the day. You know what I mean? Like give you guys a vlog style video. You know what I mean? It's been a minute. Every video that I've been releasing has been like car related in a sense where it's like car part install, the AIM install, which is amazing. Shout out to Randy for giving me his until the new one comes in the mail. So yeah, I got a track day tomorrow. Today is Monday. This past week has been hella stressful. Let me update you guys on my personal life. I've been like out of it, man. I've been stressed the hell out over car stuff, which I never want to stress myself out over. You know what I mean? You never want to stress over car stuff, dog. But it's a lot of pressure to get like shit done, and you know, meeting deadlines and not trying to like hurt anybody's feelings because the way you feel, like it's a lot of pressure, dog. Especially when you're passionate about something. Passion, boy, when you're passionate about something, the smallest things irritate you because like you want it to work and you want it to be right and all that stuff. So yeah, it's hot as hell today. I even got the windows up. That's how hot it is. You know it's hot when you're driving with the windows up, bro. You know it's hot. Because if you're driving with the windows down, it'll be hotter. It makes sense, trust me. All my Florida people know. Well, maybe not, but maybe I'm just crazy. Yeah, maybe I'm just crazy. Wow, 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 wow. Hey, let's go to Mr. Hurt's house. You can't scoot the seat back. Wow. That's Max, man. He's gonna hit the cage. Garbage ass cage. It's the garbage ass seat. Look at that. That shit got a bolster back. My seat's not reclinable. I know. What the hell? What are you doing? Trying to upgrade my shift lights.
Oh, please don't drive like that.
Nah, I'm not trying to.
You ain't.
Alright. Made it to Freddy's house. Freddy Bon Bread. Fred, bruh. Hey, why you had to do Randy like that on the group chat? What you drinking on, bruh?
Who hurt, bro? Nobody, bro. Listen, bro.
Hurt like a motherfucker, man.
You want me to say what I said?
What you said?
I ain't gonna
I'll
say
bleep it out, bruh.
Nah, I ain't gonna say it.
Then you got a Fred had to go get a culotta.
You gotta cool down, man.
Nah, my nigga.
You were hot,
You
man.
are hot.
But my girl ordered this, man.
Hey, that look, hey, that's fresh.
That shit flop, man.
Mm-hmm.
That shit look bad. That shit really do, bro. We talking a lot of
Nah, that shit look fresh, bro. Why you hate on my dog, Fred?
Bro, the paint, the actual paint job was actually fire.
Yeah, bro.
It's actual paint, fool.
No,
This don't look that bad though.
I'm not keeping it this color. I just one coat.
What color you painting?
Same color as that.
Or you ordered the stuff from me?
I found that color in the can. Y'all understand that once all my shit's on here, you can't even see the damn block.
That's facts.
You see the gearbox more than anything.
Fred, pay up, bruh. It's on the vlog now. Now you gotta pay up.
You follow me on the blog.
Hey, yep.
He was so sure.
He was so sure. He was dead. He looked me dead in my eye. 500.
It's like you were so sure with them all.
Yeah, but look, I'm sure now. Even asked baby girl what they want to eat tonight. Yeah, he ain't eating nothing besides giving me out 500. So the thing was, Fred was like, I can't run a stock oil cool setup because I have to tap the block. But little does he know that the 24 block just has a plug there. You just unplug the plug, run a K20 oil water pump housing, and then you can have an oil cooler setup if you get all the stuff from a Type S. He doesn't think that.
He still don't believe it.
He still don't believe it. Fred's all right, bro. Just give me a 500, bro. I could take
Hey, bro. We eating tonight.
what you want to eat, bro? It's on me.
Texas Roadhouse, man. I want to.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna need the 500, bro.
I want them cinnamon buns.
Oh, you watching my boy Dave Marino?
I don't know who that is, don't care.
Don't matter, but look, he wanna do the whole thing. I need my 500, bitch.
That's what we got.
All I need is full RSX Type S stuff. I need my 500. I mean, I could just take the motor, and then you could just pay me.
Take a block.
What block? Oh, the top unit? Well,
CSS.
oh yeah, I just checked the CSS, bro.
You ain't gotta pay.
Yeah, you ain't gotta pay no more.
So you have to make sure that these map.
He's focused, bro. I mean, just give me the block, bro. We'll call it a spade, bro. Just give me the block, big dog.
Look, I just helped you, bro.
Below in the
That's a
comments.
TSX.
But
See
the
the hole right there?
difference with some blocks have.
Trying to tell you, I'll take the block. Hey, Randy, load up the block, bitch. We going home. Hey, I appreciate you, Fred, bro. Thanks
Fred,
for the
bro.
business, bro.
Stop looking, bro. Right there, bro.
Nah, like,
See?
what? What, Fred?
That's if you're not using a K20.
Bruh,
K20
you still
water
don't have
pump.
to. You don't have to
I
tap
was right. I was
it.
right
No,
about-
you was
I
not.
tapped the sun.
No, you was not.
Well, you already got the K20
bro,
pump
just give
for
it.
this.
Just give
This
me.
be my
Just
statement.
give me the
I already got
CSS
it.
block and we
So
good,
you
bro.
even it out,
Nah,
bro.
we ain't even. I want my 500. We shook on it, bro.
did.
That was a shake,
Boy,
bro.
look you dead in the eye.
Dead in my eye, bro. He tried like I was a.
Really did, man.
Appreciate you, my boy. Thank you, Fred, bro. I get the block.
Yeah,
Shit, man. Hold on.
Wow.
You can't trust him.
And this the guys y'all be watching and supporting. Y'all, boy, that's crazy.
I don't give a fuck. You support me enough.
Damn.
Damn. Well, you need to support this bet we just made. You owe me 500, bitch. Or just
Keep
give me the
waiting on
CSS block. Wow.
Bruh, y'all came over here to torment me, bruh.
That's all
Nah.
we do.
Nah.
Y'all came over here to bother me, bruh.
Yeah.
I was chilling, bruh.
But hey, you can give me my $500, please.
Start rolling that out, man. Nigga, stop crying like
Hell, my friend gonna shoot my with that, Fred.
It's full sun.
The full
I get that?
This the full send house. You gotta order the AIM stuff right now, bro.
Let me hold my hand so I can full send it, because I don't trust you. You be lying too much.
Wait, you gonna give it to him if you full send? That what you saying?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he lying.
I know
He stole me $500.
He stole you that damn
And yeah, he stole my damn GoPro piece.
Y'all really just came over here to torment my life, yo.
No, bruh.
It's,
Yes, sir.
it's hard to torment your life on Mexico.
Yeah, cause you start leaving the chat.
I just blocked y'all. Let's turn this shit off. I ain't got time to hear y'all. On the shop, dog. Beer fucking on me here.
So that's what we pull up.
Hey, Randy, full send, bruh.
If I say I want home, bitch. I need to take a garage, man.
You should have buy a house.
You gonna full send?
No.
Full send right now for the GoPro, bitch. For the vlog, bitch.
Yeah, you gotta do it.
On YouTube. Who the fuck they pay my bills?
I'm facts.
YouTube,
Facts.
bro.
Like, yo, Fred, how you do this? Nigga, you put money in my mouth. Talk about watching
You watching me, bitch.
God damn.
nigga on the whole Fred Rich shit. Every time I post something, Fred Rich, like Fred don't go out and buy the shit, bitch, with fucking hard earned money, bitch.
Bruh,
You feel me?
I ain't gonna sit on camera right
I don't
now.
give a you say on camera.
Bruh, you sleep in the van sucking your thumb all day long. Exact, just like that, man. A pillow, bro. You your face at me one day, bro. You was sleeping like this, bro.
But you work the job, don't let the job work you. You feel me?
I guess.
So you gonna full send on the AIM or what, bruh?
No, man.
Man, just order this, man.
You gotta take the pace out your voice, man.
Order that shit right now, bruh. Stop being a little.
Order that shit, bro.
Yeah, for when a new AIM come in, I ain't giving you shit until you order it.
Order that shit, bro, before I call before I call Mr. Oye.
Who is Mr. Oye?
One.
Get on the vlog, bitch. Y'all happy now?
Money.
That's the 23 pan? You gotta order ICM now, bitch. Oh, you gotta
take it to the
bank afterwards.
Order the ICM one time. Make sure, hold on. Make sure you click the
Yeah.
minus 719.
Mhm. Yeah. Full send.
I was saying, bro.
$12 in tax? What?
$12, bitch. You spend that on Pollo.
I don't give a damn, bro. That's food.
That's a lot of tags, bro.
I need to find it cheaper, bro. No, you can't find it cheaper than that.
What you mean?
That's the website, bro.
The website,
You're not
bro.
finding it cheaper, bro. I paid $141, bro.
Watch,
It's
bro.
Cali tax.
Bruh.
What's that place that you order your suit from? What's it called again?
One, they don't sell it in stock, bro.
Bruh.
That bitch for look on Alibaba, bitch. That bitch for the
Dog, I'm telling you,
That bitch gonna stay reading E, bitch. Bruh, let's order shit from the manufacturer, dog.
Bruh, It's $12.
That's a lot. Hold up, I gotta save money, bitch. Hold on.
I mean,
Oh
what
my
is you doing,
God.
bro? Listen, bro, just full send, bro.
Tell him,
Full
Fred.
send.
Full
You
send,
can't
bro.
take the shit with you to the grave. You feel me?
Yeah, but I ain't trying to be broke, bitch.
You, Randy, you the richest out of
$100, bro.
all of us.
That's not the right one. They don't have your-
Iron Cannon Motorsport.
All right, let's see if you find where your car at. Choose the car. Oh, look at that. No fucking Honda. Take your ass to the website.
You know how much better it is buying something from the manufacturer? Because when something go wrong, you go right back to the manufacturer. Yo, full send.
They don't even. Man, just full send, bruh.
Oh, my nigga, yo. Both our legs, man. Go ahead and send that shit, man.
What?
Send that shit, man.
No, full
Oh,
send,
wait,
bruh.
no. Fuck.
Yeah, go ahead, bruh.
Acting like that's just a burden, bitch.
It's a burn to spend guap,
That's a
bruh.
lot, bro.
You gonna make it back.
He
On
make it
what?
back in like 2 hours at his job, bruh. Not
bruh.
even.
No, just make that shit
Randy,
back,
bruh. Randy, the richest person we know.
You
Yeah.
sweet, bro.
Oh, send that shit.
Man,
Act like you gonna lose or something, my nigga.
I am.
Nigga,
What you
send
losing,
that
bruh?
shit. What you
Money.
losing?
So you ain't gonna never have an aim dash in your car? You might as well let me raffle it, bitch.
That bitch gonna put that bitch in front of his stop cluster so I go.
He can read his gas that way.
Damn,
No.
I've been full sending all month, bro.
That's personal.
And I don't make Randy money at all. I waste money, bro.
Went roll cage, and then went aim, harness. What else you don't buy? Big grid life tickets.
Hey, bro, shipping.
Track tickets,
Alright, bro.
roll bar, A bar.
Make more money now since he been full sending.
Big
bruh.
facts.
You feel me?
You feel me? Yeah.
Once you full send, it's gonna motivate you to make it back.
Hey, there's some teachings in the way to full send,
I'm
bro.
trying to tell you, you be looking at me like, Fred, when you get where you at, bitch, I buy what I want and I make it back.
Can't stand there.
Randy just spent about $400.
There you go, my nigga. How feels it grow some motherfucking balls, nigga?
Balls on what? I'm
Bitch,
broke
you buy
now.
shit.
You ain't broke.
Randy.
Randy is not, bruh. I hate Randy,
Hey.
bruh.
If Randy show y'all his bank account right now,
Y'all gonna be like, God damn,
alright,
bruh. Randy got money, bruh.
That bitch can go off. That bitch can go 6-wheel drive when I'm
He finna put a fifth wheel in the back of that bitch,
Stop
bruh.
pocket watching, bitch.
Ain't nobody pocket
Y'all
watching.
pocket watching right
nigga.
now.
Nah.
Y'all pocket watching
You
right
just
now.
not spending what's in your pocket.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't, bro.
Yes, you can.
Then I'm gonna be homeless.
You
What?
got home with your mama.
That don't mean nothing. I'm trying to get a house.
I can't stand this, bruh. I can't stand this.
I gotta go to the bank. I gotta put this money back in the bank.
Oh, how much money? How much he black, bruh? I'm trying to tell you, bruh. Randy,
My wallet, but my wallet got dust.
man, my wallet diabetic, bitch.
But, see, I come from work and make this.
Bitch,
Look at you, you
bruh.
come home from work and make that.
And make money.
I work 12 hours and come home and make more money. You see, you gotta hustle. You
What?
just
Me
wanna
what?
come home and play video games.
Yeah, big. That's hot.
It is hot outside, bruh.
Damn.
Yep. Welcome to the full send life, bro. Yeah. Yeah.
Fuck it, what you got to lose?
Nothing I can think of.
Ain't nothing but you.
Yeah. So just now leaving Fred's house. I took a long way home today because I want to like cruise with the car. Tomorrow is track day, son. Bro, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, man. Bro, having an aim dash in my car finally is amazing. It is awesome. No complaints there, pal. So, yeah, on the way home, because I gotta take a massive one. Like, not to be disgusting, but do y'all buttholes, like when y'all fart, is it hot? Like, not the loud farts, like them silent but deadlies. When mines get hot, I know I have diarrhea coming. I know I do, son. So, I need to get home and get it out of me so I can hit the gym. I'm trying to go to the gym early today. Probably go around like, it's 5:05 now, so probably go around like 6:30.